remember?
Taking it away from the other one.
Or didn't we figure it out, like, when you catch them from the... Oh. Like, when you catch them from the bank, they swim away from you, but when you catch them from shore, they swim at you? Or from the boat? Oh. I need some sort of quality. Wasn't recording, but it's a nice one for this lake. Acting like he's big. I know. Stay down, boy. Me losing that worm. Hey, Dad, look at free worm. It was in his mouth. This was in his mouth. Thanks, Bob, for your help. It was sitting there. I was getting you a new worm. Stay down, boy. I don't want you losing that hook. Oh, he's blind. Alright, he's going back. Set of 9. Look how pretty he is. Green. That's so green. I know. And they think they're like bulldogging it. Like they're digging. Double up. He's going in the weeds. I kinda want to throw buzz bait for a little bit now. Oh crap, he thinks he's big. He's dead. Oh, Dad, look how he's hooked. Look how he's hooked. Like literally the skin. Pressure on him. Me?
I saw it out of the corner of my eye, your rod in your hand.
Yeah, it was. Thinks he's big.